So be very careful when you type in on Google, do I have a case?
And what we're afraid is a lot of clients and people will just go online and type in, if I fall, am I liable? Do I get money? And they want to become their own lawyers. And while everybody relies on AI, Google to kind of guide them in the right format, it's very fact specific, right? He gave a certain set of facts, but the facts change when I gave the set of facts. And that will make all the difference, not only in the legal argument and the factual distinction between the cases. And it's just, again, just harping on what Frank said, and I'll say in Spanish, es muy importante llamar un abogado, porque uno trata de ser su abogado y empiezan a hablar de cosas legales que a lo mejor es correcto en ciertas partes, pero a lo mejor no, y cambia con todas las circunstancias que son diferentes, right? It all changes with the facts, and that's what separates Supreme Court rulings, right, from one thing to another, or a trial that may go one way, but because of a little fact, it changes. So again, just very important, whoever you call as a lawyer, make sure you actually consult with one before you go crazy and say, oh, I have a case or I don't have a case. Maybe you think you don't and you do. So talk to a lawyer.
I want to add just a little bit about the AI, because that was interesting. He makes a good point. If, for example, you have a slip and fall and you enter some of the facts into Google, because now Google incorporates an AI, right? And the answer may be no, they're not liable, right? But what you fail to do is actually input all of the facts, right? Like public's giving the juice, right? Which I think is a very important fact. Now, what AI lacks is the human element, right? It doesn't, it's not able to look at all the facts. All it's doing is just looking at data and kind of compiling an answer and providing it to you. But what it lacks is the ability to reason in the way a lawyer would, right? So be very careful when you type in on Google, do I have a case of negligence? Because you may get an answer that steers you the wrong way, okay? So I think that's a very, very good point.